in. Nabubukas ko yung mga ganang bagay. Kaya, big shout out. Papa Perperoya, thank you so much. Eduardo. I could stick away just to hear you breathing. Want to smile, are you asleep? While you're far away dreaming, I could spend my life in this sweet surrender. I could stay lost in this moment forever. It was her 2 years. I never give, never want to buy dreams. It deep inside, is my life still alive? And God only knows that can't let you go. When I'm all in love, it feels better. I give you my heart forever. He's number one only rock star. Like, follow, subscribe. Masaya na ako. Thank you mga viewers. Di maamin ng damdamin na ngayon'y wala ka na sa aking piling. Balang araw ang dalangin ay mayakap kang muli at mag-ibig. Ngunit paano nga ba ang pag-ibig mo'y magbabalik? Bakit ko na masaktan kita ng labi?